Freelancing sounds exciting, but most beginners get stuck before they even start. They don't know what service to offer, how to get clients, or how to compete with experienced freelancers. The good news is, you can start freelancing today using only free AI tools. First, you need clarity. Most beginners fail because they try to offer everything. Free AI tools like ChatGPT help you list your skills, understand what people are paying for, and turn that into one simple service. Next is profile setup. AI helps you write a clear freelancer profile, professional bio, and service descriptions without sounding confusing or boring. Then comes client research. Instead of guessing, AI helps you read job posts, understand client problems, and identify what results they want. After that is outreach. Free AI tools help you write proposals and messages that sound natural, polite, and personal. Not spammy, not copy-paste. AI also helps you stay consistent. You can plan follow-ups, organize your daily tasks, and create a simple freelancing routine. AI will not do the work for you, but it saves time, removes confusion, and helps beginners move faster. Start with one skill, use free AI tools, stay consistent. That's how beginners actually start freelancing. If you want more beginner-friendly guides like this, subscribe to the Smart Earn Lab.